What up guys? Back with that long promised video, and well, you've seen the thumbnail, you see this shit in front of me. So the challenge that I'm going to do for 100 subscribers is to eat 100 chicken nuggets. I'm not gonna do like a crazy speed run at this. I'm just gonna try to finish this. Now you guys know that I can eat a lot. So I've done the 10K challenge and that went down okay. So, but this is on another level. This is eating a shit ton of calories in way too less time. But let's try to do it. So I've got my chicken nuggets over here. I swear it's 100. I'll put a counter on the screen somewhere so you can count with me. I've got a little bit of ketchup over here just when I need it. I'm not sure if I'm going to need it, but just to have it there. And well, we're still a fitness channel, so Coke Zero to save the day if I'm getting thirsty. So just gonna eat this. While I'm going to eat this, I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos. I've just checked my YouTube feed and I saw that Max Tuning uploaded a new video, so that's always a good time. But yeah, without any further ado, let's hop into this. This is for you guys. So 100 chicken nuggets, so this means I'm eating all of you, I guess. But hey, eating challenge, you guys voted for it on my Instagram, so this is what you're getting. So the starting time is, focus please. It's not going to focus. That's the starting time. So here we go, guys. So I'm what, like 15, 16 chicken nuggets in, and I already lost count. So it's been about 6 minutes for those first couple of ones. Let's continue. So that's Max Tuning video done. We're like almost halfway, I guess. So the time is, focus. Let's put, oh, got a text. Just a second. So the time is, focus, come on. Is it going to focus? Come on, just focus. There it is. That's the current time. So it's already getting hotter, honestly. So okay, focus again. Come on, just do it. Why aren't you doing it? Okay, we're in focus again. So yeah, it's already getting a bit harder. So Max Tuning video done. Now it's time for your usual Dragon Ball Super Pokemon, whatever kind of theories videos, so going to watch those now. Comment down below if you watch those videos too. So the counter knows where I'm at. I have no idea anymore. I only know it's getting harder already. So this challenge is actually harder than the 10K challenge, but we're going to keep going. If I can finish this in like about an hour, I'm going to be happy about it. So let's keep going. Okay guys, so we must be halfway now. I'm going to take a little break. I need it. And then we're going to continue. Now, the goal, as said, isn't to do this in a crazy time. The goal is to finish this. So, I'm going to take a little break. See you guys in a minute. Oh man. Okay, so about 10 minutes later, let's keep going. Did a refill of the ketchup, because yeah, I need that. I think the problem with the first couple of ones were that they were still really hot. That's why I started eating them with ketchup. But oh man, this is way harder than the 10K challenge. Just looked up the macros for fun. And this is going to be like more than 4,000 calories in one sitting. So let's keep going. Let's try to finish this. I've got my doubts, guys. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to finish this. I'm really not sure. But let's keep going. Let's put on another YouTube video. Let's keep eating away at this stuff. Come on! Just went to grab myself another Coke Zero. I think you guys can notice it, but I'm dying up in here. I'm actually starting to sweat and stuff, so oh man, how do people finish this stuff? Nevertheless, gonna keep going. We're about an hour in already. I've got no idea how much I've eaten already, but I think I'm going to do like 10 at a time. So eat 10, take a little break, eat 10, take a little break, and then I think I'll be able to finish this. It might take me a little longer than I first expected. I thought I could finish this all in an hour, which clearly wasn't possible for me. So the people that finish this shit in under an hour, you guys are crazy. Yeah, let's eat 10 and see where we're at then. Maybe take a little break, maybe not. Let's keep going. Oh man, really forcing this stuff down right now. So that's 6 down. Time for another break. See you in a minute. Okay guys, one final sitting, maybe 2, then I'm gonna call this a day. This stuff is intense. Oh man, the 10K challenge doesn't even come close to this, man. This shit, oh, who even finishes this? Come on. Okay, here we go. 1 or 2 more sittings. We'll see where I end up, and then we're calling it a day. This is killing me. Okay. Okay, that's the time, and I'm calling it a day, guys. I ate 2 more in this last sitting, and I'm dying already again. Not going to finish this. It doesn't even look like I ate, man. Come on, look how many there's left. I lost count way back, so I don't know how many I've eaten, but I do know that it's the time to quit. Oh man, I'm so full. Forcing these down doesn't feel good at all. No, time to call it a day. So yeah, I'm sorry, I failed. I'm a failure. First fail on the channel. There's a first for everything. The 10K challenge went okay. This went totally wrong, but hey, it's all good. You guys voted for this on my Instagram. Did it for you guys. But I'm sorry, I'm not going to finish this. If you guys can finish this, be sure to tag me in your videos because I want to see you guys doing it. This shit is crazy, man. So if you're able to do it, I really want to see that video. But for me, this is the end of the video. I'm not going to eat anymore. I'm not going to eat tomorrow probably. Oh man, I'm so full. You can hear that. That's like Coke and chicken nuggets boiling up. Oh man. No, I'm not going to puke. If I puke, I'm not going to film that, but I'm going to tell it to you guys. But I don't think I'm going to puke. I'm ending it early. I'm like, the nuggets are coming up to here. So that's it for the video, guys. If you liked the video, be sure to hit a like. Comment down below if you finished this and give me the link to that video because I really want to see somebody finishing that. I know there are people that finished this, but I'm not one of those. Yeah, next video will be back to the fitness content. Luckily I'm not an eating challenge channel because I would suck at that, clearly. Back to the fitness videos in the future. So I'll see you guys in the next